There are some key things, I think, that make HomeWrights different, and I like to say just simply a better way to build a custom home, simply better. Our focus on quality, in particular our focus on just making sure that a product, that a custom home is well sealed, is airtight, is watertight, and making sure that the materials that go into that custom home are high quality materials, and helping our client make the best decisions about energy and about quality and about the way the home is put together, not to mention appearance and aesthetics, the critical pieces of the puzzle. I think we understand those quite well, and it's one of the ways that we help our client to deliver a superb quality product. Control. Our client is in control. Whether it's an owner builder product or a turnkey product, we've gone to great lengths to make sure that our client has a voice in the way everything is coming together and in all the choices of materials and products that go into the house, including the personnel that are working in the house. And so our client does have an extraordinary amount of control. When it comes to custom home building, I don't think anybody can match the system that we've put in place to make sure that our client has control. Flexibility, which ties in closely to control, but we've designed a system that gives our client enormous flexibility of choices. Choices of the personnel, choices of the materials, choices of the final finishes, etc. Our system is designed around that flexibility. We think it's absolutely essential in helping a client get the product that they really want. Very, very few of the clients that we work with are building their first home. Many are building their last home, a legacy home, and they know what they want. They've experienced what they don't want, so this time around they want to get what they want, and flexibility is a huge part of helping them get what they want. We've put together a system that is utterly transparent from a financial perspective and from the perspective of material choices and personnel choices. In other words, our clients almost always have a voice in the materials that are chosen to build their house, and almost always have a voice in the personnel that are chosen to build their house. So we've worked very, very hard to make sure our system is transparent, that those choices are transparent, and to make sure that the pricing associated with every one of those choices is 100% transparent. So there are very, very few, if any, surprises. And then the way we have innovated, particularly our owner-builder approach, the way we have sort of tried to turn the clock back on how custom home building is done or was done. 125 years ago, the homeowner was very much involved. If you were a rural farmer in Iowa, chances are good you built the home yourself with your own two hands. If you were a socialite in New York City, you were actively involved every single day with the architect while your home was being built. And so that was an era of home construction where the homeowner had to be involved. Along came the professional general contractor. That allowed home building to expand in ways that are unheard of across the world. But with our owner-builder system in particular, we're turning the clock back 100 years, 125 years. We're making sure that the homeowner is intimately involved in every choice, in every decision, in every inspection, and every piece of the home building project. We believe that those things, quality, control, flexibility, transparency, innovation, we believe those things create a home building experience that is simply better.
Learn more at HomeWrights.com.